Welcome to a quick up-to-date guide on creating a poll with a 1-week duration on Discord. If you're looking to gather opinions from your friends, teammates, or community, this simple method keeps everyone engaged for the full week. First, open Discord on your device. You'll see your list of servers on the left and direct messages you've recently used. Decide whether you want to post a poll in a direct message or inside a server channel where your audience can participate easily. If you're coordinating with a specific group, a server channel is often the best place to reach more people quickly. Next, choose the location for your poll. Open a direct message with the people you want to include, or navigate to the server channel where you want to host a poll. This choice sets the audience and ensures timely participation. Now, you'll tap the plus icon to access more options. Look for and select polls from the available features. This is the tool that lets you craft a simple, structured poll without needing third-party bots or external services. If polls isn't visible, you might need to ensure your app is updated or access permissions allow you to add polls in that channel. With the polls interface open, it's time to fill in the essentials. Type in a clear, concise question that captures the decision you're seeking. Then add the response options. Keep options short and distinct to avoid confusion. You can include multiple choices, but aim for 3 to 5 options to keep the results easy to interpret at a glance. The final step is setting the duration. Tap on duration and choose 1 week. This setting ensures the poll stays active long enough for everyone to weigh in, especially across different time zones. If you're organizing an event or determining a consensus deadline, a 1-week window often strikes a good balance between engagement and momentum. Once everything looks right, publish the poll. Monitor the responses over the week and consider posting a quick reminder mid-week to boost participation. After the weekends, review the results with your group and use the outcome to inform your next steps or decisions.